Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wizz Air claim. Whether you're dealing with a flight delay, lost baggage, or need a refund, knowing how to properly submit a claim through Wizz Air's system will help you get your issue resolved efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website at wizzair.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you find the Help Center button and click it. This section is your gateway to all customer support options and documentation that Wizz Air provides for passengers. After clicking Help Center, look for the option labeled My Wizz Account and click on it. This section contains all the account-related features and settings you'll need. From there, find and click on Claims and Compensation. This is where you'll access the tools necessary to submit any formal requests regarding flight issues, refunds, or compensation. Next, click on Claim Submission. This is the core feature you'll use to lodge your claim. When you arrive at this page, you'll see important information about how Wizz Air handles claims and complaints. Pay close attention to the category you select when filling out the claim form, as choosing the wrong category can delay the resolution process. Make sure your request is accurately categorized to avoid unnecessary waiting time. Once you submit your claim, you'll receive a unique ID number via the email address you provided. This ID is crucial, so always reference it when contacting Wizz Air customer service about your claim. You can track the status of your claim anytime by logging into your Wizz account and navigating to the Your Claims tab. Keep in mind that submitting duplicate claims won't speed things up. In fact, duplicates are automatically merged and won't affect your resolution time. Wizz Air aims to process all claims within 30 days. If more than 30 days have passed since you last heard from them, check your spam folder first, as their emails sometimes end up there. If you still haven't received a response, reply to the original email thread rather than creating a new claim. This helps their team locate your existing request faster. If you're still unsatisfied after Wizz Air's complaints handling procedure concludes, you have the option to escalate your complaint to Aviation ADR, an alternative dispute resolution provider approved by the Civil Aviation Authority. This service is free to consumers and offers an independent review of your complaint. And there you have it, a complete guide to submitting a Wizz Air claim efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.